This is Answer's 1996 Mazda Bongo, powered by a 1969 Rover V8. Front mags, which he's made himself. On the rear it's got some nice tubs. Here's the engine itself, it's the 3.5 litre Rover. And under the tray we have a Ford LSD with shortened shocks.
Oh yeah, this is the bit. That's what I had to cut out of the rims to cut these out. So this was actually a steely, and then I cut them out, and then I got my mate to weld them in so it's all nice and balanced.
On the inside she's got a nice B&M shifter and a really nice and tidy interior. And the most important thing of all, the cert.